nice and slowly. Fingers going as low as they can. If you want to go all the way down or relax your fingers past your feet, you can. But really think about your abdominals, guys, and make sure you're not arching. As long as that's a nice flat back that's coming down, keep it nice and safe. And of course, don't go too far because we don't want you falling off that chair. Okay, emphasize on keeping that leg as straight as you can. You should be feeling this at the back here, through the hamstring, the back of the thigh. And then slowly coming out of that stretch. Drawing that leg up. You may just want to shake that through that leg. Okay, we're going to do the other side. So again, the other leg nice and straight. Sit up nice and tall. And then just coming forwards. And again, going into your own position, guys. It might just be at the top there. Or it might be even past your foot. So just fall into your position. And just hold it there. Again, think about straightening that leg as much as possible and relaxing. And when you're ready, slowly bringing it back up. Shake out through that leg, and this time we're going to do both legs together. So both legs as straight as you can. Okay, body nice and straight, and just reaching down until you can feel the stretch through both the legs. Now again, it's really important that both those legs are as straight as possible. So make sure you are taking them wide, and you're not going down like this. Just keep those legs straight, and just fall down, guys, into this position. Again, making sure we're not falling off the chair. If you wish, you can take your hands onto the floor. Just take some body weight into the arms. And feel this lovely stretch. If you want to take the legs wider, you can. But again, really think about staying on that chair securely. So as wide as you can. Just stretch and hold. Okay, now to come up, bend those knees, hands onto the thighs, and slowly, slowly, slowly coming up. Again, you might get a head rush with this, so nice and carefully, and then draw those legs in. Well done. Okay, the next one, we're going to stretch through the thigh, the quad. For this one, go into the middle of your chair, so sit back a little bit, take the foot underneath, drop the knee down. This is where you pull forwards onto the edge of the chair again. I just want you to push your hips forwards. So push your hips forwards nice and strongly until you feel a stretch on the front of this thigh. So nice and strong. Stay there. Great stretch, this one. Take a big deep breath. And as you breathe out, push a little bit more. Take those toes back a little bit more if you can. Okay, then slowly unhooking that leg, gently coming forward. And let's change sides. So again, middle of the chair to get back. And then when you're ready, pull back forwards, drop the knee down and push the hips forward. So again, you can feel that stretch in the front of this thigh. Either hold onto the arms of the chair or underneath or onto the side, wherever you can. Just relax your whole body and push through that thigh. Let's take a big deep breath. And as you breathe out, push a little bit more. And from here, slowly release. Again, nice and gently, just shaking out through those legs. Now this time, go back into the middle of the chair. We're going to take one foot forwards, the other foot on top. And this time we're looking for a stretch on the calf muscle, which is this one here on the lower leg. So just draw your top toes towards your face. Sit up nice and tall, both arms, and just reaching down towards those toes. Really relax your shoulders. Remember, it's all about bringing the toes up rather than falling forwards as much as you can. Keep that body nice and strong. And slowly release. Okay, changing side. So again, other heel on. Remember, it's the calf muscle we want, so draw those top toes towards your body and then just reach down towards the toes, keeping the rest of the body nice and relaxed. And slowly release, releasing on through those legs, and again just shake out through the legs. Okay, from here, let's check our posture, guys. So again, sit into that chair, and this time we're going to bring the heel onto the knee. Now, if the width of your chair won't allow your thighs to go wide, you may need to wiggle forwards again. Okay, and just take those legs, so your foot is up on your knee. Now, if you can't get this here, you can just hold it in that position. And what we're trying to do from here is open through the underneath of this thigh. Okay, so just drop that knee as low as you can and just feel that stretch. Again, if you're not tight in this area, you may not feel it. But what we're looking for is one knee to be level with the others, roughly. Again, you may need to wiggle forward to allow your hips to have that flexibility. Just relax and hold in this position. Keep on relaxing. Slowly releasing through that leg. Take the other leg down, bring the other leg up. And again, just notice the difference. As you can see, I've got more flexibility on my other leg. So this one, I need to work on a little bit extra. So just relax that foot down. And don't push it down, but you can just place your elbow or your hand there, just to add a little bit more weight to help it release and stretch. But really try and relax through your hips as you do this. You could even do this one while you're watching television, everybody. This is your new Coronation Street stretch. Let's do a few more seconds. Take a big deep breath. And as we breathe out, relax. And then slowly release through that leg. Okay. Now from this position, We're going to do a little bit of work through the core muscles, and we're going to do one exercise in this session. Now this session, as we said, is about stretch and relaxation. It's really important to help you stretch and relax, to have a good posture, and part of having a good posture is some good strong core muscles. Now this exercise we're going to do is very optional, guys, so please stay at the level that you're at right now. Now first of all, I want you to straighten through your legs. So bring your feet together and take your legs as straight as possible. You might want to wiggle forwards on your chair slightly. Hold on to the chair, and all I want you to do is straighten through your legs as much as you can. Now it's not about using your thighs, although it does take some thigh power to hold them there. It's actually about using your lower abdominals. So this is where you may need to wiggle onto the edge of the chair and just lift up through your legs. Very similar to like a Pilates sort of move. So it's all about using your core strength, those lower abdominals and inner abdominals, and just holding it up there. You keep your feet together. Try not to lean back, but hold on to the chair if you need to. The advanced position will just be to come into a balance. You may be better and safer to hold on to the chair. If you get any shooting lower back pains, then please stop. It is normal to feel this a little bit on the lower back. It's good to do this exercise for around 1 minute. Can you feel your heart rate coming up? It takes a lot of strength, guys, through your thighs. Keep on breathing. Okay, 10 seconds to go. Don't surrender. 3, 2, 1, and slowly relax, and just relax into your chair. A really great exercise, guys, to work through your core muscles and your abdominals. Right, let's go back into our nice straight posture. And the last part of the stretch and relaxation more is we're going to do some breathing work. Now as we breathe, as I said earlier, it's really important to isolate through the chest and the shoulders and just use your diaphragm to let those abdominals fall out as you breathe in and then come back in as you breathe out. Now to do this, we're going to do some single nostril breathing. If you've got a cold or a runny nose or anything like that, it's really important that you do have a tissue. Just make sure you're all clean and clear. Okay, what we're going to do is take one finger on one nostril. We're going to breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. I'm just using my hand just to show you when we breathe in and when we breathe out. So keep that going, guys. Really fill the lungs without using the chest and the shoulders. Use those abdominal muscles down there. Keep going, guys. Again, it's normal as we do this to feel a little bit of dizziness. Obviously, you're getting the oxygen in one side of your brain and not the other. Okay, one more time. And then slowly release. You might just want to wiggle your nose. Okay, let's do the other side. So other finger on, and again breathe in. And breathe out.